Hello everyone. In terms of giving more details about reproducing the result that we show in our paper, let me take you to the website that hosting and publishing the result of our tool FuSeBMC from the competition test comp here. As you can see here, we have two categories, cover error and cover branches, and an overall results. You can see for each category they have a subcategory here with the times that consuming for reproducing this result. So I recommend to go with recursive because it's one of the light subcategories, so you can reproduce the result here, and also you can pick another. Just in terms of saving time, I recommend to go with recursive here. Once you do the experimental recursive, let me just take you back here to the file that has an structure, so you can follow. Yeah, of course, I believe you receive this one and you prepare the environment. Since we go here in this one to run a pinch exec with all these parameters, let me just mention something. The one that you have right now, FuSeBMC information and the Test-Comp information that we're gonna use in pinch exec. What I sent you here is, let me just open here. The one is one with the 1 gig, while in the competition 15. Why I'm sending this one? So I don't want you to have any problem, because the virtual box now offering from tab 2021 is not having enough giga. So if I put here 15 gigs, they said we don't have enough gigs for this running. So what I suggest is try to change this number with a suitable memory number. And also we do the same for the Test-Comp that we want to validate our results. I put it right now in 1 gig that we have it in yours. So let me go back here. So once you reach this stage, you have two options to run FuSeBMC. The one here is we use the pinch exec. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna run our tool FuSeBMC on specific subcategory here in terms of saving time. Okay. So if you want to run the here, of course, if you take a look at my terminal here, I make the time limit 10 seconds just for the quick experiment. You should not do this, of course. You need to make it 900. And I made this one 1, while if you have enough course, you can make it like 8 or 9. The same one here with this one. So I'm gonna run this one here. Okay, you can see in front of you. It's gonna start with a cover error, which is here. If I take you back to the results, it's gonna start from the cover error with the subcategory recursive, which I have 20 tasks. If I go back here, it is 20 tasks. Okay. And then after finishing this one, it's gonna go to the same subcategory, but in cover branches. So if we go here, recursive cover branches with a 53 task. So after this one, it will produce a result in these folders. Okay, I gotta stop this video so we can have this result. Oops. Yeah, once you finish doing the experiment, so it's gonna all the results gonna be here in this folder, which results verify with the coverage error call, and the one, of course, for the branches. So now let's jump to the Test-Comp, which is gonna be hosting here. So we're gonna run this one, Test-Comp, from the command that I already sent you. So here is it. So what we're gonna do is we do the same, but of course I'm gonna make this one and the other one as well. So let's run this one in front of you guys so you can see. That's fine. This is warning. So it's gonna start with the first 20. Yeah, of course, to validate our results. Why it's giving me here unknown? Because if you remember, I put the time limit is 10 seconds, which not enough time for participating on this example. While the others, you can see here, we got it through. So what we're gonna do here exactly, we will have a results here after that. I'm gonna show you, but let me just take you again to the results here. So what we're gonna do here is, if you go to the recursive under number 19, we will produce a result like this. If you go to the table, and then you're gonna see like this number, this example with Test-Comp validated. While we produce here a result, but it's not validated. This is exactly what we're gonna do here. So since I already did this, so saving the time, let me kill this process. And as you can see, in order to get the HTML that I am talking about, it is simple, since I already did this. So here is it. So you're gonna like pass this command line with results folder, and with the one here is for the Test-Comp. This one for FuSeBMC and the other one for Test-Comp, so we can have two columns as the one in the competition. So let me run this one. When you run this one, it says, okay, we have this one here. Go to this folder, results. Let's go together, results, and go to the HTML file, which is this one. When you click on this one, you're gonna have the same tables in the competition. So let's wait together here so you can see we have this one. Okay, if you want to check, go to the table here, and then you're gonna see the results being verified, being validated by Test-Comp, and also our result FuSeBMC. Again, why I'm having the timeout, because I put that one time limits 10 seconds, so that's the reason. It should give you here 19 of 20 as the one on and the competition. Yeah. One more thing I would like to talk about. Just let me prepare this and stop the video 1 second. Yeah, if you want to run the FuSeBMC in specific program from the SV benchmark, you need to pass this one. So I'm just offering this option. So in terms like if you want to participate in different programs from a lot of subcategories without like doing all the experiment, of course it's gonna take a long time. So you can pick like for example 5 programs from here, 5 programs from here, 2 programs from there. So you can do this one. You can just pass this command FuSeBMC with the strategy and properties, of course either a branch or cover error, with also the program that you want. So here is an example I already want to explain to you. So here is the FuSeBMC, but before you run this one, you need to change something on line 121, which is the one that I'm gonna include in the email. So you don't need to do this. It was false, and now you need to turn on this feature in FuSeBMC, so you can from FuSeBMC you have a results and already validated by Test-Comp. So this one. So let's run this one here in front of you. We're gonna pass, as I said, script and the properties, and also the example we got here, ring sum as an example. So we run it here with the cover error. You can see here we're gonna run FuSeBMC. It will not take so long time because I pick a light one, and then it's gonna be validating Test-Comp. So we're gonna have the results. So we're gonna have here the results from Test-Comp, which is here showing here exactly the same we have in the results here. So let's go check together. So we go here to this subcategory, go to the table, and we go to the ring sum, which is this one. As you can see, we have this one, and we got it true with a 100 coverage percentage. If you want to do the same, just but only for the cover branches, not error call, so it's simple. You can change it by this one and then run it. Again, this one, if you want to run FuSeBMC in specific program from different types of or different subcategories, so you can test FuSeBMC from a lot of subcategories in terms of instead of just focusing on one subcategory, like I mentioned here in recursive. So yeah, it will have this one here, exactly how we run FuSeBMC in specific, and after that it's gonna like validate it to give the results. Yeah, in the end, if you want anything else, I will be happy to explain, but I hope I explain each details and how we run FuSeBMC, and we got the same result from the one that it published in Test-Comp. If you need anything else, yeah, please don't be shy to email me. I'll be happy to answer that. Yeah, as you can see here on the right here, it's validating the results from the cover branches, so we will have the results as we have in the test cover results. We have a 100 percentage coverage in this example. Let's check together. Yep. If we go back to the results, so we're gonna go to not the cover error. We go to the cover branches. It is here, so we can go together so we can understand more. Here is the ring sum here. Yeah, we got a 100. Yes, exactly the same. Last thing I would like to talk, this experiment that I've tried to explain, we should not care about how we run this in the Test-Comp. This is the one that doing from the people on the Test-Comp. I mean, here all the people care about running the tools. So what I did here, I learned from them and I try to explain this to you. I hope that was clear. And if you have, again, any question, I'll be happy to answer it. And thank you and have a good one.